Hey, happy October. I can't believe it's already October. Some of the best weather we get in the Bay Area, though, is in October, right? And some of the coolest things to do are in October. I want to give a shout out to Half Moon Bay. It's Halloween month. You have to go to Half Moon Bay. You have to go to Arata Farms. The pumpkin patch there is incredible. There's a hay maze, a haunted barn, hay rides, cool big iron statues, just all kinds of stuff. It's great for all ages. They have the Pumpkin Festival there as well, October 14th and 15th this year. Very awesome event, very crowded event, so do be prepared. It's cool to stay the night there. My wife and I did that in our younger years and made a weekend of it. Also, the Girl on the Train at the Coastal Repertoire Theater, a very spooky play going on through October 22nd out in Half Moon Bay. So I hope to see you at one of those events, and happy Halloween. If you know anyone looking to buy, sell, refinance, I'm available.